Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Bamboo acoustic electric guitar, specifically the 38-inch Koa wood model J38 KOAQ. Right away, you notice its compact 38-inch size. This makes it incredibly easy to handle, whether you're just starting out, traveling, or need something less cumbersome for smaller spaces. But don't let the size fool you. It's designed to deliver a powerful sound. The materials are a big highlight here. The top, back, and sides are all made from Koa wood. Koa is known for its beautiful grain, but more importantly, its tonal characteristics. It brings a warm, resonant quality to the sound, adding richness and providing a really balanced tone across the frequencies. It's a premium wood choice that definitely impacts the instrument's voice. Moving to the fingerboard and bridge, these are crafted from walnut. Walnut adds durability, which is important for longevity, and it contributes to a smooth playing surface. This makes fretting notes and chords feel comfortable, which is especially helpful for beginners who are still building finger strength and dexterity. Plus, the dark color of the walnut complements the Koa nicely, adding to the guitar's overall aesthetic appeal. This isn't just an acoustic guitar, it's acoustic electric. This versatility means you can play it unplugged for practice or casual sessions, and then plug it in for performances or recording. It's suitable for both travel and stage, as the description mentions, making it a really adaptable instrument. It's marketed as a complete beginner kit, and it really does come with everything you need to get started. You get a gig bag for carrying it around, a pick, a set of extra strings, a capo for changing keys easily, and a strap so you can play standing up. Having all these essentials included right out of the box is a huge plus for someone just starting their guitar journey. So you have a compact, portable guitar with premium Koa wood for great tone, durable walnut for playability, acoustic electric capability for versatility, and a full kit of accessories. It seems designed to offer a solid starting point or a convenient travel option without compromising too much on sound quality or features.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.